How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you'll go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started guys by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation, and wait for it to load. Then here zoom in on the country to choose a state from the state or the city that you are going to target in today's explanation. So here we are going to choose, for example, San Francisco or this area of California. Let's choose another city in here. Let's just zoom in. Let's choose San Jose, for example. Here let's zoom in on the place. Then let's go to the search and let's type whatever kind of small business we'd like to look for. But before that, I'm going to talk about the three services we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service we are going to offer them is the website creation. So we are going to check if they have a website. If not, we are going to offer to create the website for them. And if they already have the website, we are going to suggest to renovate the website. If it's old, you can just check the website and you can know if it's an old website or not. Then the second service you are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing from their Google Maps profile, and the third service is the social media accounts managing. So here let's get started by choosing some type or some kind of small businesses like hair salons, for example. Here let's search for hair salons. Let's wait for it to load, and here these are the results. We have a lot of hair salons, but make sure to always choose the perfect profiles with the highest rate of answering to our messages or our calls, or with the highest rate of working with us. So here for the first profile, make sure to avoid these kinds of profiles, the ones with sponsored written in the top of their headline, and also the ones with more than 150 reviews. This one has less than 150 reviews, but it has a sponsored written in the top of their headline. So we are going to avoid this. Then we are going to come to this one, Keishi Salon and Threading. He only has 59 reviews and they don't have any sponsored written in their headline. So here let's scroll down to see if they have a website. So here you can see that they do not have a website and they only have their number in here. So that's the first service we are going to offer them, the website creation. Then let's scroll down and let's move on to the next service to offer them, which is removing the bad reviews. So here let's scroll down, and this is our first bad review. It's a 2-star review from a week ago. I got my threading done here. A guy did one of my eyebrows and it was nice, but the new girl who did the second one left cut mark on the eyebrows. I thought she did a good job, but then my skin was burning after a while. There are cuts on upper lip area too. So this is a bad review for unprofessionality, which gives a bad reputation for the business, because a cut is not easy to have, and also it gives her pain. So that is something we can use in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service, because people hate unprofessional staff. So that can scare clients away and take them from the business. So that is what we're going to tell the business owners. And let's just look to find another bad review. that could help us convince the client or the business owners easily. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. Let's scroll down. 5-star reviews. 5-star, 5-star, and here we have a 3-star review, but we are looking for a 1-star review or 2-star review or less. That's the ones that are very important for us. So here it's from a local guide and it's from a year ago. I had a terrible experience here. Went for eyebrows and upper lip and came out with good eyebrows and bronze upper lip. The lady seemed to rush through while doing the washing, as some of her friends' family had come to the salon. Also got free unsolicited advice on how I should get a hair treatment there. The owner also called me skinny, which at least is not a compliment to me. So this is another bad review that they have in their profile with 3 likes, which gives bad reputation to the business as well. So that's all we need in order to convince the business owner to purchase our service. We will only need to take a screenshot here, or we can just call them directly and say that these bad reviews are affecting their business negatively. It's giving them bad reputation in the market, and it's taking away clients or future clients from them, which could lose them a lot of money, or which could cost them a lot of money if it's not fixed. So you can just offer the solution after that. So, and as I said guys, now we can offer them 2 services: the website creation and the bad reviews removing. So you can just go to fiverr.com, and here you will be able to find freelancers who are going to deliver these services to the business owners, because as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill and you won't need to deliver any service yourself. So here, by scrolling down, this is the freelancer that is going to deliver the first service, which is removing the bad reviews, for only $25. And this freelancer is going to create the website for only $80. So that's $105 in total. So if we convince the business owner to pay us $150 or more, $170, $200, it's all beneficial for us, because the service will cost us only $105 and we can keep the rest. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.